Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be first impressions video and I will review a couple of products from Clarins. Also, I didn't post any videos in the last 2 weeks. That's because I had some projects, some deadlines, and I couldn't find time to film videos for YouTube. But today we are filming and we are reviewing a couple of products from the new summer collection from Clarins, which is called Sunkissed. I received a package from Clarins and today I'm gonna show you the products I got and also apply them on my face. Let's begin. First product I want to try on is this one. This is a primer and it is called Highlights Complexion with a Rosy Gold Glow. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging, really sleek. Yeah, it comes with a pop. This is how it looks like this. Super nice, super luxurious. A moisturizing primer that gives a natural summer glow. Apply under makeup for a radiant complexion or on top of makeup to highlight as desired. Today I will apply it before the foundation and then let's see, we can add some more for extra glow. My hands are clean. Okay, let's apply 2 pumps. It smells really nice. This is the amount and let's go. Go for a little more on the forehead. You can see it's super, it gives a super subtle glow, which I really like. It's a bit sticky, which is good because now we will apply the foundation. And for foundation, I will use the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Let's see how it applies on top of the primer. I think with this one it's a great match. Here is the foundation applied on top of the primer, the Clarins primer. You can see there is a glow. I love it, love it. Primer, thumbs up. Let's try the next product from Clarins. So this is number 1, Glowy Coral. I suppose this is a blush. Healthy Glow Powder. Twist. Okay. So I twist it and then it comes out like some powder. So I suppose I need a brush. Use a brush. It comes out. Let's try with powder. Twist. Not sure how much product I need to use. I love the shade. I like it. I mean, I like the shade. I like the shade itself. Not sure about the packaging and the way it comes out of the tube and you need to apply it with a brush, so it can get a bit messy. That's my only concern about the packaging and the way it applies. Let's move on to the next product, which I am really excited to try, and it is the bronzer, the bronzing compact powder, Sunkissed bronzing powder. And in the past couple of years I have heard only good reviews of all the Clarins bronzers, and I really wanted to try one, and I always had purchased another brands like the Marc Jacobs Fantastic, which is my favorite one. This is the first time I'm trying the Clarins one. First of all, just look at that packaging. It is stunning. I mean, it is so pretty. Good job, Clarins, on the package, on the packaging. It's gorgeous. I will remove this one. It is simply beautiful. You can see the logo Clarins. Let's try. Open it. Okay. So you get huge mirror. So you get huge mirror, which is always good for a bronzer. And you get 3 shades basically, a light one, medium and dark shade. I will mix all of them together. Oh my god, the scent is super nice. It smells like, it reminds me of my childhood. I had some perfume, or I had something with this scent, and it smells incredible, super fresh, super nice together. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love a good bronzer. My favorite thing about makeup is bronzing, especially in summer. And you don't, I'm doing this, but you don't get a lot of kickback. Super fine muted powder. I can build it up. Love. I don't want to apply any eyeshadows on my lids, so I will go with the bronzer. I'll take a brush and go in with a bronzer, and I'll go in with the bronzer shade and just define like the crease. I like this bronzer. If you're on a hunt for a good summer bronzer, then check out the new Sunkissed collection from Clarins. Let's move to the brows. I'll do them super quickly and I will check in later. And we're back. Brows are done. I just filled them a little bit, and then I went with the Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara just to give them this feathery look. Next, I will apply again and use again the primer, the moisturizing primer, and apply it this time as a highlighter, just on the higher points, because it says you can apply it on top of makeup and also under makeup. Super pretty. If you like using creamy products and more of a natural products. This one is for you. Check out the primer. It is really pretty. Last but not least, I really want to try the new lip product, and it is called Lip Twist 2 Water Tint and Balm, and it is in the shade Purple Escape number 2. This is the packaging, how it looks like. You get this side, which looks like a pencil or something, and it's the colorful side. Let's try it. It is not a good match with my t-shirt, but we'll make it work. Let's see. Oh, it smells super sweet. It's fruity, like the scent is super sweet, fruity. Cherry, raspberry. Love it. Let's try the shade. It's a super nice berry shade. And it smells like raspberries. It's super nice shade for summer. And also on the other side you get the balm. Let's put some. Yeah, it's more like a So I got also 2 more products to share with you, and these are from their new collection. This is a Before the Sun. This is a gel to oil sun care for wet and or dry skin with 50 SPF. Use it basically when you're going sunbathing, and it's again 50 SPF. So I'll test it out and share my thoughts with you on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, follow me on Mariya Marinova. This is my profile there on IG, and I will try it and share my thoughts with you. Also, I got the After Sun Sunburn Soother Mask. This is how it looks like. This is After Sun mask. You can apply it on your face and also on your body after you have been exposed in the sun. Let me summarize my first impression thoughts with you. I really like the primer. First impressions, I really like the primer, the highlight moisturizing primer. I like how it performed together with the foundation in a combo. I like it. I will keep using it. Also, I will use it also as a cream highlighter on top of my cheeks like this. You can see the glow. It's just this highlighter. Thumbs up. You can give it a try if you're looking for a highlighter slash primer for summer. This one. Check it out. I love the packaging. It's super nice. It comes with the tube, which is always a good. It doesn't get messy or something. Thumbs up. Next one was the glowy coral. Was the Twist to Glow blush. I have it on my cheeks. It's really glowy. Like, it's really glowy. The only issue I had is the packaging and how it comes out of the tube, and it can really get messy. And I took it on my brush, apply it, but I'm not a huge fan of this packaging. Next up we have the bronzer. Absolutely a favorite of mine. Everything about it I love. I love the packaging, I love the shades, I love the formula. I will use it a lot this summer for sure. Give it a try. If you want to try at least one product from their new collection, Sunkissed collection, try the bronzer. or the primer. They are my favorites. The lip product, the Lip Twist Duo. I like the shade. I think it's super fun and cute for summer. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't follow me on Instagram, again, I'll say it, but find me there, say hi, and tell me that you're coming from YouTube. I would be super happy to see you there as well. Thank you also to Clarins for sending me these products to test them out. Thank you so much. And what else? I'll see you in my next video.